Hi everybody, this is John with the Tailored Realty team coming at you with the sixth and final video in our mini-series about getting your home prepared for the spring market. Talking about cleaning up your home today, along with making it unique so it has a little bit of character, and classing it up so it's a little classy. Talking about cleaning, we're going to talk about yard work, general lawn care, maintenance, things like that. Making sure that the grass is trimmed appropriately. You've got bushes trimmed. That can actually make a huge difference, especially if you've got massive shrubs on the front or the side of the home that keeps the home from being able to be seen from the street. That can be a little bit of a deterrent. Also, just at the house, being able to pressure wash the house if you have vinyl siding can clean off a little bit of dirt from the rain. Making the home unique, because we don't want it to look like every other home in the neighborhood. You can have a different colored door, red, blue, green, something, and possibly like a bird feeder or a bird bath or a planter. Anything that just makes it look like, yep, that home's not the neighbor's homes. This isn't cookie cutter, because we're not looking for that quite as much. Classing it up, changing out like doorknobs or fixtures on the outside of the home, and just making it look a little bit different. Again, goes with uniquing it up a little bit and just making it look classy. Either, like I said, doorknobs, or possibly changing one of the panels in your garage door to have windows in it so there's a little more light in the garage. These are just simple things that can be taken care of with just a little bit of elbow grease, typically, and can help keep your curb appeal higher or better so that when buyers come by, they're more interested in the outside of the home, so they're willing to come see the rest of the home. But like I said, this is the last video on the 6-part mini-series. We've covered quite a bit. If you have any questions on what to do to get your home prepared, go ahead and give us a call, and we can help you get your home ready for the spring market, or tomorrow if you wanted.